Today I will supply with you one of the adequate ways you can make money online nowadays, through the practice of YouTube. Not only is this extremely easy and doesn't require any skills or knowledge, but you actually require only a small amount of views to earn a bunch of money online. And I will show you how you can make such videos step by step, as well as demonstrating you someone who is doing it themselves and making a very decent amount of money, all things considered. So if you want to start getting paid on YouTube right now, then be sure you stick around. And with all of that announced and done, dudes, let's now get into this video. As I announced, today I will show you how to get paid via YouTube. Before we go on, it's worth noting that you won't be able to earn like hundreds of thousands of dollars through this method. So do keep your probabilities straight. I will show you how to earn thousands of dollars, but not hundreds of thousands or whatever. Regardless, the YouTube channel I want to share with you today is one that doesn't seem like it's giving rise to a lot of money online, if any, that is. The YouTube channel in question is called Sell This Now, and as its name suggests, this channel uploads various business corresponding videos, many about Shopify.com, about dropshipping, stuff like that. And as you can see, the amount of views progressed per video is around 1,000 for the newer ones, but it's a few thousand for the older videos, so it doesn't seem like the owner of this channel is doing pretty well, and I will show you in a second how the owner is actually earning quite a little of money, much more than what it may seem. Before I do so though, let me demonstrate you an example video here. This is one of the newer videos I found on here called Sell These 8 Shopify Winning Products in January 2022 inches. And this video, dudes, demonstrates very well how your typical video looks like on this channel. If I were to play this, you'd see that there is nobody showing their face on camera at all. What we have here is basically images of numerous products with text on the right hand side and a voiceover to top it all off. And that's it. The point here is that these types of videos are very easy to make. Compiling pictures into a single video is one of the oldest ways people have been making videos on YouTube, mainly because it's so easy, and writing text to the right of the pictures or image is not something too demanding or whatever, nor does it require any skills or knowledge. The only thing that might cause difficulties for you guys if you were to make such videos is the voiceover. But you wanna keep watching because I will demonstrate you where you can find people to do a voiceover for you later on if you don't wanna do it yourself, or don't have a microphone to be able to do it. Before I go over that, let me speak something very important here: the amount of money earned. This is important because obviously if you can't make any money creating such videos, no matter how simple, there's hardly a point in making them. And the owner of this channel, speculate it or not, is making an extremely decent amount of money. And how do I know that? Well, because all of the videos are in the finance and online business niche. And this is significant because if you create those kinds of videos, the amount of money you will earn per 1,000 views, called a CPM, is much greater. On average, YouTube CPM, as you can see, is a mere $2, which is abysmal, of course. Here's the thing though, these types of videos typically get a CPM of $20 per 1,000 views at least. In fact, depending on where you are from, that can go up to $60 and beyond. In distinct words, the owner of this channel is doing very well and making a very good amount of money online, evident by the fact that there's a new upload every single day. If there was no money to be made here, then obviously there would be no daily uploads. We can somewhat accurately estimate the amount of money earned on Social Blade by looking into the average amount of views per day. By the way, the amount of money Social Blade estimated that channel made is wrong because they are going with the average $2 CPM, not accounting the fact that there are other niches that pay way more than that, which is why Social Blade is very much wrong in this case here. Anyhow, as you can see below, the average amount of views on a daily basis this channel gets is 2,000, quite low undoubtedly. But if we go with the $20 CPM, which is exceptionally conservative, mind you, that means we'd still be talking about $1,200 made on a monthly basis or so. Not bad at all. However, we know for a fact that the amount of money made is higher. The reason is that if you go over to the description of the previously hound video I used as an example, you'd be able to see affiliate links for all the products showcased in the video. So this means that this person is also making money online from affiliate marketing. And I also found that the owner has his own website where we have a bunch of products being sold. So this goes to show you that there's quite a bit of money to be made here. Not only can you get paid somewhat decently with the ad revenue, but you can maximize your results by promoting products on one or more websites. To summarize, making those types of videos is very easy. All you do is compile pictures, add bits of text and a voice over on top, and that's it. More greatly than that, however, is the fact that you can actually make a very good amount of money creating such videos, even if you don't get a bunch of views, which is the most important aspect arguably. This means that a beginner can start doing this and start making money online moderately quickly. So let me now cover the actual creation of these videos. The first thing we expect to cover is the video idea. You require to know what you first wanna create a video on, and here dudes, you can use this channel, as well as identical channels to get your video ideas. You don't wanna copy paste the videos outright, instead use them as inspiration and you will get quite a few ideas for your own channel. Once you know what you want to make a video on, the succeeding step from here would be to acquire the footage. And this is very much the significant part. Where do you find those photos and sometimes clips that you will include in your video? Well, believe it or not guys, the owner gets his photos and videos most of the time from the websites where he is promoting products from. For example, Shopify. They will send him information and footage on the product that he will then go ahead and promote. Meaning that you don't even have to look for footage online maximum of the time. Just grab it from websites like Shopify, AliExpress, and so on. However, sometimes you will prefer footage, and in those cases you can just use google.com to find photos, and pexels.com to find good photos and videos that you can use for free. After you make some money from your videos, I highly suggest investing it in storyblocks.com, since it's a very good website and you'll be able to find greater quality photos and videos there. With the footage thus acquired, now comes the actual voiceover. And in the event that you dudes don't have a microphone or just don't wanna do the voice yourself, you can just go over to websites like upwork.com, fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com and so on to pay someone to do the voice for you. This obviously isn't optimal since you'll be investing some money, but you will have to do this in order to make this work. In circumstance you do wanna do the vocalist yourself, then a software you can download and use for free is Audacity. It's a great software I've used in the past and I actually liked it, and you will too. And with that done, the last piece of the puzzle missing is a video editing software to integrate the footage and voiceover together. And so what you wanna do guys is just type on Google something like best free video editing software and you'll be able to find tons of them you can use to then create your new video before uploading it onto YouTube. If you want a suggestion, then as always be sure to check out OpenShot over at openshot.org. It's an outstanding software for beginners and it is of course free. And with that done dudes, just render and then upload your new video onto YouTube. And from here it's just rinse and repeat of the same procedure over and over again. And if you keep at it, you'll eventually start getting some views. Due to the high CPM though, you certainly won't require that many in order to make good money online, absolutely. And with that announced, if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.